Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto mo pa-personal reading, Jim Tarot Reader. And then kung gusto niya naman sa akin, Madam Space P, Space pa sa dulo. And then, yun ang way para ma-search mo ako sa Facebook. Kung wala ka namang Facebook, pwede rin naman TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, or doon sa aking email virgophilippines@gmail.com. Okay, let's start. Yeah. Kung gusto mo rin mag-avail ng aming mga products, Unipree, UNIPRI, yun yung aming TikTok shop. Let's start. Okay. I can do palm reading, tarot reading, and astrological reading. Guys, merong mga hindi naman konti, may nabagit lang yung aking admin na na parang yung iba natatakot kasi baka hindi sila masatisfied or what. Especially kung nakaranas na sila ng mga tarot readers in the past. Well, ibahin niyo ako. Especially sa astrological reading. Hindi ako pala post ng astrology reading kasi honestly wala akong masyadong time. I do have a lot of businesses and ito ang aking medyo nakakain yung oras ko nito kaya hindi na ako makagawa ng mga astrological reading, but yeah, anyway, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo? King of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Okay, this is your main energy. Wait lang. Okay, so ito yung main energy mo, King of Swords at saka Ten of Swords, no? I can see a lot of ending na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Like, or maybe there's something na gusto mong i-end. Yung iba, pwedeng ginagawa na or nangyari na si ending. Yung iba naman, pwedeng there's something na gusto mong i-end. Maybe, yung iba could be a relationship, marriage, or situation na parang gusto mo nang i-end. Or some of you, kung hindi naman sayo, pwedeng sa person nakakonect mo. No, this is love reading. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you're thinking na sana i-end yan na itong ganito, ganyan. So, pwedeng relationship or situation itong person na to. But a high chance na a lot of you, this has something to do with relationship na gusto mong mag-end. Kung hindi mo sa situation mo, sa sitwasyon ng person na nakakonect mo. Anyway, sorry about that. Umiinom lang ako ng ng yogurt. Ay, hindi. Ano man tawag dito? Probiotic drink. What will happen? Ay, sorry. Ayan. Doon tayo sa person na nakakonect mo, no? Sino to? Six of Cups, yeah. This could be a person in the past. King of Coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I feel like ang focus nitong person na to is magkaroon ng growth sa kanyang finances. Gusto niyang magkaroon ng, pwedeng ito yung main focus niya sa ngayon. Mag-grow yung aking finances, mag-grow yung aking, yung person na nakikita niya yung mga responsibility niya, obligasyon niya na parang, kailangan kong mag-grow, kailangan kong magkaroon ng pag-level up ang aking finances kasi kailangan kong maybe has something to do with a child or children, and this person is currently trying to move on, nagtatry siyang mag-move on from something. So, kaakibat nun or kasabay nung pag-move on niya na yun is nag-focus siya sa finances niya, sa career niya. And then gusto niyang magkaroon ng growth doon. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Yeah, I just saw the number 444 pagtingin ko sa aking phone. So, for some of you, focus mo and focus ng person ito has something to do with your stability with regards to your home. Okay, so yung iba, you're trying to focus na matapos ang isang bagay na may kinalaman sa iyong home, maybe duties, responsibilities, or work, career, especially kung yung career mo ay may kinalaman sa home, or sa home ka nag-work, and may mga dapat kang tapusin professionally dito sa bagay na ito. Emotions ninyo ng person ito, nakakonect mo. The chaser is here, karmic relationship, sunglasses. Okay. Eto, bahala ka na kung saan may lalagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon kasi pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles dito. The mask is here at the bottom of the deck. Girl talk, healing heart, I like you, and then you do have your kisses and stab in the back. Okay. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? For some of you, may mga paghahabol na ginagawa ka or ikaw itong hinahabol. But I can see that the chaser is like pwedeng hindi niya kasi nakikita kung ano yung kumbaga it's like you wearing the rose-colored sunglasses. 'Di ba? Kung ikaw ito na naghahabol regarding something, and this could be your karma, your karmic person or karmic relationship connection situation. Pwedeng hindi mo kasi nakikita, kumbaga nakikita mo is yung mga magaganda, hindi mo nakikita yung reality, hindi mo nakikita yung mga pangit. And some of you, if ikaw ito naghahabol, you could be very obsessed dito sa person na ito. No, if this is a person na hinahabol mo or gusto mong makuha, you are really obsessed. Well, the person that you're dealing with is currently moving on. I feel like tinatry niyang i-fix yung sarili niya, yung emotions niya, and isa sa nakakatulong na makamove on nito person nito is yung mga kakonect niya sa online, maybe connections na it could be friends or it could be another person na karelasyon, pwedeng ganun, be another person. And yung iba naman, kung hindi naman person na kakonect yon na another person, it could be friends, no? Pero if there's friendship, nakakakita tayo dito na double yung yung gustong mangyari dun sa friendship na yan. It's like hindi lang to friendship, may something, may either the friend niya yung person na ito nakakonect mo, or vice versa. Kumbaga there's something hidden. Kumbaga pwedeng yung emotions nila is not being open sa isa't isa. Okay, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? I mean, gusto ko itong bigyan ng advice if you are the chaser, kasi nakukuha natin, it could be you na parang naghahabol, ayaw mo na mag-end itong connection mo with this past person. So, what is the advice here? Love is here, and then you do have your not enough. Yung iba, pwedeng alam mo or aware ka dun sa connection niya with someone else, and then gusto mo na, you love the person, and then, you are feeling frustrated or ego issues, gusto mong ma-win back itong person na to, or you are jealous dun sa connection nila. Well, if that is you, what is the advice? Ano yung advice para sa'yo kung ikaw yon? The runner is here, and you do have here the mask. I feel like instead of chasing, you should run. 'Di ba? Kung ikaw yung naghahabol, you should run. You should get out of the situation, umalis, layuan yung sitwasyon na yun, yung person na yun, because it's no longer helping you or hindi na yung maganda sa relationship, sa connect sa iyo mismo. And as you can see dito sa picture, there's a man or uh, a boy with the Hierophant, Taurus energy. Gamitin mo yung utak mo, huwag yung puso mo. Alam mo kung anong dapat mong gawain dito. You should run. Yung kakonect mo, ganito ganyan, may kakonect na iba, bakit ka mag-i-stay or bakit mo pipilitin na sarili mo sa taong ah hindi naman nagpapakita ng kagustuhan sa'yo or something ended na sa inyong dalawa, bakit mo pa ipipilit yung nag-end na? So, wag mong, sabihin na natin wag mong ibaba yung level mo, no? Just focus on yourself. Yun yung pinaka-advice for now. Yung iba nagko-comment doon, sabi, ang sakit kung magsalita. But, sometimes kailangan marinig yung katotohanan eh. 'Di ba? Hindi tayo pwede mag-sugarcoat dito na parang pababanguhin ko or pagagandahin ko yung reading kasi yun yung magandang pakinggan, yun yung yung gusto mong marinig. Pero ako sasabihin ko talaga kung ano yung dapat mong marinig, ano yung dapat mong gawin, 'di ba? Kumbaga ito, guidance ito for you. Guidance ito na makakatulong para sa iyo. Pero number one na kailangan mo gawin is tulungan ang sarili mo. Kasi aanhin ko pa yung mga words ko, yung mga sasabihin ko, advice ko sa iyo, kung ikaw din naman, hindi mo gagawain yon, 'di ba? Sayang lang din. Okay, parang ito ginagawa na lang pampaantok nung iba. Parang nako, bukas maganda na yung kakalabasan ng reading, 'di ba? You can relate to that. Nako, ang daming um ang dami mo kailangan ayusin muna sa sarili mo, no? So anyway, what will happen in the near future for you Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos, for the sign of Virgo. Well, alam nyo, sa lahat ng channel ko, I really do like, no? Kung paano itong mga Virgo is mag-comment talaga sila. Number one, kaya kung naka-follow ka dun sa ibang channel, mapapansin mo mas mostly dito ako sa Virgo nakakapag-upload. Yun ay dahil I really do love your comments. So, thank you very much sa walang sawa ninyong pagko-comment sa akin. Yung iba nakikita ko po, nakaka 100 comments na sila. Sa kasi nakakalkula yun eh, kung nakakailang comment ka na. So, thank you very much. So, you do have the King of Wands, the this is the Eight of Swords, and the Hierophant, and the Moon. And then, in the near future for you, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. The King of Cups, the Two of Coins, Five of Coins, the Four of Cups. Actually, eto, dagdag lang to dun sa kaninang advice na eh. Kasi, nakikita natin dito, you are stuck, you will be stuck. Kung ikaw ay nagpapaka-stuck sa isang tao, ang iniisip mo ay isang tao, and the person na to is, you are stuck sa, sa connection mo with this person, di ka makaalis, or what. I mean, with the Moon, nakakita tayo dito ng mga secrets, mga hidden agenda, mga bagay na hindi mo maamin or matanggap sa sarili mo. And with the Hierophant, na I feel like matalino ka, magaling ka, matalino ka, madiskarte, and you are someone na hindi magpapatalo lalo na sa pagsasalita mo or pag alam mo kung natama yung nasa isip mo, hindi mo magpapatalo doon. Pero, ang problem is, sometimes yung mga matatalino, magagaling, mga mauutak, sila yung mga medyo talo pagdating sa pag-ibig or sila yung medyo, sabihin na natin, medyo may pagkatanga sa pag-ibig. And that is what is happening here. And in the future, nakita tayo, you're dealing with the person na wishy-washy. Wala nang kasiguraduhan regarding sa love or emotions ng person na to. And then I feel like ito person na to will no longer accept kung ano man yung kaya mong i-offer pa para sa kanya. The Two of Coins is showing to me as a person na parang gusto na niyang maiba yung direction niya, and I feel like yung direction na yun wala siyang kinalaman sa'yo. Okay, so focus on a new beginning with the Ace of Wands. And tell me more on near future for the sign of Virgo. Kaya yung iba, if the question is kung maaayos pa ba, mababalik pa ba si ganito, ganyan, kung magiging kami pa ba ulit, ganito, ganyan. The Queen of Coins is here and the Knight of Swords. Yeah, you should run, you should walk away. Ikaw yung dapat umalis. Especially kung ikaw yung dehado. Ikaw yung, alam mo yun, yung parang binibigay mo naman lahat tapos wala rin naman nababalik sa'yo. I mean, sa halip na ikaw yung magambol, ang dapat mong gawin, ikaw yung tumakbo, ikaw yung lumayo, ikaw yung umalis. Kasi, hindi mo deserve yung ganitong klaseng tao. Deserve mo a new beginning and magsisimula yung new beginning na yon sa sarili mo. Okay? The High Priestess is here. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo, yung pakiramdam mo, ganto ganyan. Hindi ka na pa-paranoid. Totoo lahat yung nasa isip mo, yung pakiramdam mo. So, believe that. Okay? Regarding this person, regarding do sa kakonect niya, etc. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. The good thing is that may nakikita tayo ditong growth, finances mo will improve. Pero pagdating sa connection with this person, well, huwag ka na mag-expect. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.